welcome to Red Lipstick. So today I am going to be doing my Boxycharm unboxing, where I do this Kathleen Lights style. I say this every time and link her channel in my video just because I like to give credit where credit is due. She came up with the concept of unboxing your Boxycharm box and trying the products on your face, rather than just showing you what I got. So I'm going to do that today, and I'm very excited about this box. It looks pretty promising. About 2 months ago we had a box I was really disappointed in, and I thought about canceling my Boxycharm subscription, but these past 2 months have been better, so I'm gonna keep it, I think. If you're not familiar with Boxycharm, it's $21 a month, and you get all full-size product, and you get 5 products in total. So great deal. The box is usually significantly worth more than the $21 that you pay for it, so it's always worth it to me. So let's get on into it. First of all, the first product in the box we have is this Pores No More vacuum cleaner from Dr. Brandt. It's a pore purifying mask. I'm going to insert a clip of me using this mask right on in here so you can see my thoughts. Alright guys, so I am finally, like weeks upon weeks later, getting a chance to try out the Pores No More vacuum cleaner from Dr. Brandt, seeing what this looks like. I did actually just watch Kathleen Lights' unboxing of her Boxycharm from April. It is now May. I'm sorry, this is very late. I have been a mess this month, or this past month. So much going on with my health and stuff, so a little delayed on the videos here. But anyway, so I did watch her do this, so I'm just gonna apply it the way she did because she read all the directions, and I hate reading directions. So she also has the same kind of skin type that I do. I have more dry to normal skin at this point, and she has very dry skin, so this is a product that actually is geared more toward oily skin, but I'm just going to apply it on the areas that I have pores, so especially my nose, and like right around the nose. And as you rub this in, it gets more blue. It has little blue beads in it. Apply a thin layer to areas of concern, avoid eyes, leave on for 5 to 10 minutes until dry. A cooling sensation will occur. I definitely feel it. It feels very cold on my face right now, and it smells very minty. Rinse with warm water and pat dry. Use 2 to 3 times per week for maximum results. So this is supposed to clean out your pores and stuff and be pore refining, get very tight on the skin. That is way too close to my eyeball. Alright, so that is a pretty thin layer. And I just put it on my problem areas. I probably should put some here because that's where my old acne scarring is. We'll see if this does anything for that. That would be amazing if it did. Alright, so now I'm going to leave this on for probably the 10 minutes and come back and show you how it looks. We're going to wipe it off with a cloth, and I'm going to show you if I notice anything with my skin. Alright, so I've got you guys zoomed in here, and I've had the mask on my face for about 10 minutes now, and you guys can see, I'm going to zoom in even more. If you guys can see my nose and the areas around my pores and my scarring here, it's like dipped into the pores and the scarring, which I find only really happens when you get a really good clay mask. Alright, we are zoomed back in here so you guys can see up close what it looks like. I'm not noticing a huge difference, to be quite honest, and I'm sure you won't notice anything on camera. The only thing is that my nose does look a little bit better. It's almost like the pores do look like they're closed a little bit more, and it looks cleaner. Other than that, I'm not noticing any difference like on my chin or the forehead or even around here. It all kind of looks the same, but the nose looks pretty good. So this might be a really good like pore extracting nose type of thing, you know, like those nose strips. So I will continue to use this, and I will update you guys in like a favorites along the line whether or not I like this product. So yeah, let's get back into the Boxycharm video. Next up, because I feel totally weird without my brows on, we're going to try this brow product. This is the Brow Gal from Tanya Crooks, and it's the Instant... I did not just say that. It is the Instant Brow Hair 02 Tinted Brow Gel with microfibers. So we're going to try this out. I usually always use a pencil or use my dip brow to do my brows, and then put a brow gel on after, so we'll see how this works out. I don't have terrible brows, it's just that they're a little bit sparse, and the left one is more full than the right, so we'll see how this goes. Let's try it on. It definitely is working well to give me brow hair. dip in here a little more. It seems a little dry right now, and I don't think it's supposed to be, but you definitely can see like the little fibers on the brush. There we go, that's better. Okay, so now I'll admit my brows are kind of a mess right now. They need to be threaded quite badly and plucked. But this gave a decent effect. I like this product. I wouldn't use it on its own. I pretty much would always use a brow pencil, and I think I am going to go ahead and fill in the sparse areas with brow pencil. Just because I don't like the overly natural, like super bushy looking brow. I like my brows to have a little more structure because I have hooded eyes, so when they're structured, it helps lift the eye so they don't look quite as hooded. So I just wouldn't use this product on its own, but I am excited to use it with my brow pencil. Okay, so now I have my brows done with the pencil, and I really like the effect that this gave. I definitely would do the pencil first and then put the product on because I felt like I was wiping away a lot of the brow gel product just to properly put on the pencil, because you don't get a lot of precision with the brow product. So next up we have got a Tarteist Pro Glow Illuminator, and I'm really excited for this. I don't have any of the Tarte illuminating or highlighting products. I'm a little afraid this might be too dark for me. It looks like it's dark on the tube, but you never know. Let's see. It is the shade Exposed, which actually in their blush is their like most popular blush. Okay, it looks like kind of a champagne kind of color. It reminds me a lot of Steal a Kitten, but just less pinky. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this to the high points of my cheeks. Okay, hopefully you guys can see that. It's okay for my skin tone. It's not like one that I would go out and buy just because it's a little bit too dark for me, but I like it. It's got a really pretty glow to it. And at first it looked a little bit kind of sparkly, like glitter, but as you blend it in more and more, it kind of melts with the skin and looks just kind of sparkly, like shimmer rather than glitter. It's very, very pretty. I like it, and I definitely will continue to use it. Next product in the box is this Semi-Precious palette from ColourPop. This is their eyeshadow palette, and I'm really excited about this because I actually thought about buying this. So to get it in this box is very exciting. Here are the colors, which totally are up my alley. Can you guys see my son's hand there? He's trying to hand me my camera lens cover. Anyway, these are totally up my alley kind of colors. I'm so excited. There are no mattes in here. These are all shimmers. So we're gonna have to pull some colors from my Lorac palette. I like this palette a lot because it's got a lot of neutral browns in it. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put a base down, and then we'll come back and use the Semi-Precious palette. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead in the palette, and I'm actually going to apply the green today, I think. Actually I'm gonna apply the blue. That looks exciting to me. So I'm gonna use a brush. I normally would totally dip my finger in, so I'm gonna do it that way. These are really pigmented. That's good. These were really easy to play with. I'm so excited about these. So now I'm gonna go in on the lower lash line, I think with this shade down here. Actually, we'll use that inner corner. We'll use this one on the lower lash line, and then I'll go in my inner corner with this one. For those, I am gonna use a brush though. And then actually I'm gonna go ahead and take the darkest brown in here and go on the outer corner. Alright, that is the completed eye look, and I'm really enjoying it. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply some mascara and come back and we'll do the lips. Alright, the last product here is this liquid lipstick from, I don't know how to say this. Is it Adesi or Adesi? New York High Definition Liquid Lipstick. I've actually never heard of this, so I'm excited to try something different and new. Alright, so here's what the package looks like, and it looks like a really pretty, just neutral color. Let's see. I don't see a shade on here. I don't have a sticker on the bottom, and I don't see a shade name anywhere on the product, so I don't know what color it is. Can't tell you that. It looks very moussey. It's got one of those paddle applicators that I love. And let's just try it on. Ooh. It smells like a mix of cake batter and chemicals. Okay, so this definitely is not a liquid lipstick that dries down matte. This is just a liquid lipstick. It's very, very shiny. It feels a little bit sticky. I don't think this is going to be one that dries down. It doesn't feel like it's going to. Not totally my cup of tea as far as finish. I do love a matte lipstick or a regular bullet lipstick. I haven't been a huge fan of just like these super glossy. It feels like lip gloss. I think that's why I don't like it. But it's a pretty color and it matches nicely with the eyes, which I love that they coordinate these boxes so well. So no matter what you put on your face, it all matches. So I love that. But yeah, I really enjoyed this box this month. The only thing I wasn't a huge fan of was the liquid lipstick. Everything else is wonderful. I really enjoy it. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and have a great day.